Hi, question number 6. The position vectors of 3 points P, Q and R relative to an origin are vector P, vector Q and vector 4P respectively. The point M is the midpoint of PQ and the point S lies on OM produced such that OS is equal to 8 over 5 OM. Express OS and QR in terms of vector P and vector Q, and also deduce that S lies on QR and find the ratio of QS's to SR. 7 marks. Okay. So question number 6. I got vector OP, which is vector P. Vector OQ is vector Q. And also sorry. Vector OR is 4P. So this is P. So let's just say O is somewhere here. So if OR is going to be 4P, therefore this is going to be 3P. We can join vector PQ here, and M is the midpoint. So here is vector OM. Now, we need to express OS. What is OS? OS is 8 over 5 OM. So this is being produced. We don't know where S is going to lie. Perhaps somewhere on this line. Maybe this is going to be S. That's just a wild guess. So we got OS is equal to 8 over 5 OM. So by ratio theorem, we might be able to find vector OM. So OM is equal to, this is going to be 1, 1 because the M is the midpoint, okay? So 1 times P and 1 times Q, that's going to be 1 times P is vector P, 1 times Q is vector Q, over 1 plus 1, which is 2. Sorry about that. So we got OM. Now we need to express OS, and we know that OS is 8 over 5 OM, therefore 8 over 5 times vector P plus vector Q divided by 2. This goes out and we're left with 4 over 5 vector P plus vector Q. Here we are for OS. Also we need to find QR, and this is all the way down QR. QR is QO plus OR, so by vector geometry, QO plus OR. QO plus OR. So what is QO? It's going to be negative Q plus OR. OR is going to be 4P. Here we are for vector QR. You can say 4P minus Q, if you wish. Right, here we are. Deduce that S lies on QR. We need to prove that S lies on QR. So this is going to be a fraction of this. So what is if? How can we prove that S lies on QR? We're going to say QS. And what is QS? QS is QO plus OS. This is QS, QO plus OS. And what is QO? It is minus Q plus OS. And OS, we just found it to be 4/5 vector P plus vector Q. So 4/5 vector P plus 4/5 vector Q. And what is 4/5 vector Q minus Q? Alright, 4/5 minus 1 is minus 1/5, isn't it? Minus 1/5 vector Q. So what is common here? We got 1/5, which is common, and I got 4P minus Q inside. Now this is QS. And what is QR? QR is 4P minus Q. So QR is 4 vector P minus vector Q. Now it can be clearly seen that this is 1 and this is 1/5. So therefore we can deduce that QS over QR. So we can say QS over QR is going to be 1/5 4 vector P minus Q divided by 4 vector P minus Q. Cross that out and you're left with 1 over 5. Therefore we're saying this is 1 over 5. Now QS is clearly 1/5 of QR. Therefore S lies on QR produced. Now we need to find the vector, the ratio of QS is to SR. Quite easy. This is 1 and the whole thing is 5, therefore this is going to be 4. Alright, so it's going to be 1:4. Here we are for this question, taken from Revision 11 Paper 1 at Maths O Level.